Hi everyone, it's Louise with louisemckayart. If you're clicking on this link, then that must mean that you're interested in the resin tutorial, which is part 4 of the Charcuterie Board Series. And as I mentioned in prior videos, the way to access this is to contact me via my email. I will post my email above. Just reach out to me and let me know you're interested. This is a paid-for-play tutorial. It's 37 minutes and it's quite in-depth. I show you so many things. I show you 2.5 years of learning packed into 37 minutes, where I show you the preparation of the board prior to resin, the resin preparation and setup, the actual resin process itself, and then how to finish off the board after the next day after it was resined. I'm going to also attach here some of the examples of my smooth edge finish. The beautiful thing about this tutorial and this process is that you don't need any special gimmicks or any fancy tools. What you probably have at home right now is what you need to get this kind of result. And anybody can do it. It's just a matter of knowing the process and the steps to take to properly prep your board and properly resin your board. And I just wish that I had this tutorial for myself 2.5 years ago when I was first starting out, because I would have saved myself a lot of pain and angst and trouble and money in not wasting any products or wasting any boards that I couldn't salvage. It's been a long journey, but I'm presenting it to you in 37 minutes. It's a nominal fee, certainly well worth the investment that you're going to make in yourself and your art journey. So with that, I'm just going to flash up some more boards, and we will then go off to part 5, which will be the finishing off of the wood board after resin. So if you're interested, just email me. My link is also in the description for my email. One thing also, you do need a Gmail account, and the video lives on YouTube, which means then you have unlimited access once you have purchased it. So yeah, Gmail account, unlimited access, and you'll save yourself a lot of time and trouble. Okay, I'm going to sign off for now. I'm going to put a link above to part 5 of this tutorial series, and at the end of this I will link the playlist as well. And I hope you're enjoying this series, and take care till next time.